How is it that I gotta get behind Dottie trying to get on the highway? Come on, man. I don't know if you can hear that noise, but he's got a mud flap that's dragging on the ground. Come on, man. You gotta go. There's nobody in the lane next to me, so that's not a dangerous maneuver. But sitting behind this guy is. Oh, jeez. Mud flap dragging on the ground. Can you believe that? Ay, ay, ay. Well, this is East River Mountain. This is the tunnel. And I will be in a different state when we come out the other side here. Too much longer now. I wonder how quickly the camera can adjust. There it is. Welcome to Virginia. Oh my God, look at that picture. 55. Nuts. Seriously, Donnie? All right. Oh yeah, this is where they were doing road work earlier, and that's why everything was backed up. So going down to Wytheville tonight. Wow, look at that. That's pretty nice.